Hello everyone, my name is Deanna. Welcome back or welcome to my channel. So you guys, in this video I will be cooking and carrying you guys along with me today. So today is the Saturday 23rd of November 2024. And yeah, I just cut up some tomato and cucumber for tomorrow. Put them in the fridge. Now I am boiling the macaroni for tomorrow also, and the rest will be done tomorrow because those are the only things that will stay, right? So yeah, I'm not sure if I'm going to boil the potatoes tonight also, but we will just have to see. So yeah. So you guys, I decided I am going to do the potatoes because it could save time. So yeah, so I'll be boiling the potatoes also. So yeah. So you guys, the macaroni is finished. I forgot them on the stove, so they're a little overcooked, as you can see from some of them. And the potatoes are boiling. I'm gonna make sure I keep my eyes on this one. So you guys, I was feeling a little hungry, of course. So I decided I'm going to make a little pasta with broccoli. So I am just taking a pot of broccoli right now, and yeah. So I dry fry them so all the water could, absorb and give them a little bit more crisp. After majority of the water is gone, I add the seasonings and then I add the oil. In this part, I was so unprepared. I forgot about all of this, that I have to chop up all of this and stuff like that. So I was hurrying because I didn't want anything to burn down. So that is why you don't really see a lot of footage here, because I was hurrying. I have grated the cheese. I have cut up some of this. Now I'm making the cheese sauce. So yeah, I'll get back to you guys because I really can't film. So guys, here it is. Here's the pie, the potato, the chicken and stuff. I don't want rice and those stuff, so this is what I'm eating, and yeah. So you guys, I was at a funeral. If I didn't let you know before, I am now walking, going to the truck because that's why the music going. So I am walking, going towards the truck. So yeah. Eh, eh. What should I do?
Bueno, la yo ya de la